Hey everyone, in today's video what we're going to do is evaluate the following limit using the squeeze theorem. Now before we begin, let's just note something. We have that cosine cubed of 1 over x is bounded below by -1 and above by 1. We have the exact same thing for sine of 1 over x. We can use this information to figure out lower and upper bounds for what we have inside of the limit that we want to evaluate. Let's begin with the upper bound. Now we have x squared plus cosine cubed of 1 over x divided by x squared plus sine of 1 over x is less than or equal to x squared plus 1 divided by x squared minus 1. Now you might be wondering how we got this upper bound. Well, we want to make sure that the numerator is as big as possible and the denominator is as small as possible. This guarantees that the quantity on the right hand side of the inequality is always greater than or equal to what we have on the left hand side of the inequality. For example, x squared plus 1 is always bigger than x squared plus cosine cubed of 1 over x, and x squared minus 1 is always less than x squared plus sine of 1 over x. So we're going to have a bigger number on the right hand side of the inequality. Now what we want to do is take the limit of x squared plus 1 divided by x squared minus 1. If we divide by x squared, we get the limit is x goes to infinity of 1 plus 1 over x squared divided by 1 minus 1 over x squared. This limit just evaluates to 1. Now we can use an analogous argument to find the lower bound. We have x squared minus 1 divided by x squared plus 1. Now what we've done is we have basically tried to minimise this fraction. We've got x squared minus 1, this is the smallest possible value that we can have in the numerator, and in the denominator we've got x squared plus 1, the largest number that we can divide by, and we know that dividing by a large number gives us a smaller number. So that's the basic idea. If we evaluate this limit in the exact same way that we did previously, we see that the limit is x goes to infinity of x squared plus cosine cubed of 1 over x divided by x squared plus sine of 1 over x is bounded below and above by 1. So what we can do is we can use the squeeze theorem to get our final answer, which is 1. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this content useful. If you did, could you please make sure to like and subscribe? If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I hope you have a great day.